When will the cost of jasmine skyrocket? Are we going to witness another historic move for jasmine's fourth quarter lockup, and everything else that's coming up? However, the cost appears to be unsatisfactory. In this video, let's discuss a few things you should be aware of. Greetings from the Coin Lady channel once more. Remember to click the like and subscribe buttons. Thus, you keep abreast of all the developments about Jasmine and the entire cryptocurrency market during this really crazy bull run that is about to occur. I felt compelled to take a risk and discuss a little bit about Jasmine, because I keep getting letters from people asking, have I missed the Jasmine move? Is that all there is to it? Do we currently stand at the top? Is there anything more Jasmine needs to discuss? So, may I just sort of break down what's happening? What's up in my thoughts is what I'm seeing. And once more, what kind of perspective do some of my most important community members hold? As we can see, the price of tools is currently at 7 or 8, up 47% on the month, which illustrates the recent meteoric rise of Jasmine. He now has a market cap of just over $1 billion, and we did fall out of the top 100. However, we continue to have a bullish vibe about Jasmine. I just want to quickly show you a few items on the screen. These are the addresses by holdings on the upper left corner of the screen. Additionally, the green growth is visible. This is significant since more and more individuals are beginning to purchase Jasmy. When you recall how the market operates, that is. In the end, market pricing is greatly influenced by scarcity. Thus, as you can see once more, there has been a noticeable movement of 12%. We are now holding about $1,000 to $100,000 worth of Jasmy, and wells are beginning to amass as well. Even looking at the most recent data, we can see that Wells has more over 26.93 billion Jasmy, with investors holding roughly 12.44 and 10.63 billion by retail. Lastly, examining this bottom chart, perhaps the most important one, we note that 50%, nearly all of the holders, have had a Jasmy for a long period. Why is this relevant? Put another way, those who hold on longer typically exhibit greater sentimentality and optimism. Additionally, the more reluctant they are to sell, especially in light of what comes next, and more crucially, has been that, in my opinion, is where Jasmine ends up, and that explains why so many people are currently holding onto their coins. In order to see that there is still a lot more to come, all you have to do is look at where you can purchase Jasmine on all of the major cryptocurrency exchanges. Not many other coins can say that. Nance and Coinbase want to hear about the volume of trading that occurs with Jasmine, so they acquired IRQ coin bit by bit from the number 3 exchange. All of these transactions excite me, so the ingredients for a continuation are there. Another thing to keep in mind is that it's always beneficial to identify who is holding you back from knowing what trades are happening. Of more significance, what are the whales doing? And right now, harlots who are heavily infatuated with Jasmine are clearly in the majority. More importantly, these wallets just keep purchasing Jasmine. We're buying forever. They are not many. And many of them simply keep purchasing Jasmine coin. What does this signify? In the end, though, I think this is about the point at which Wells begins to flow steadily. Or, more importantly, given that 98.6% of the total amount of Jasmine coin in circulation has already been used, are these institutions already gathering their tokens and getting ready to log? Considering what we know is on the horizon and the fact that they are getting a fantastic deal, could this be a player? This indicates that they have already taken their place and that, in the case of Jasmine, data democratization will be the most important basic benefit. We examined the current price action and noticed that it had a very appealing structure graph that closely resembles the pattern observed in the Bitcoin graph chart. Moreover, at this time of consolidation, we still have a crucial line. This large yellow line represents the crucial 200 exponential moving average range. We are well above those indicators. So if we place the 200 simple moving average on very bullish indicators once more, We might even see a small further retreat. We might even retest the 1-6 line, which would meet the 200 exponential moving average. In light of the current market attitude, I don't see it. MACD is currently a little bearish. Additionally, the RSI is in an ideal position for a reversal. Thus, it will only require a few triggers. I shall be prepared for a really significant move if Herot, or any other Jasmine executive, were to express a little difference in opinion, or even some news. Trying to catch hold of the shiny new coin, or the large green candle during a bull market, is one of the greatest mistakes anyone can make. If you keep trying to timing dips and pumps, you will eventually lose all of your money in the bull market. The bull market lacks feeling. Either you ride it to the summit, or you eventually tumble off. On the way, but given Jasmine's terms, I believe we're about to make another significant change. It's only a question of time. I believe we should wait and see what occurs over the course of the upcoming week. We're yet to break a $3 trillion market cap as we travel through the Den Quinnet grid, which will be revealed later today, and then we move further towards the Bitcoin. In my opinion, altcoins mean coins, and many others have a major rise left to come. Tell me in the comments section below. Are we, in your opinion, at the top for Jasmine? Does this cover everything? What is the price at which you plan to sell your Jasmine holdings? Always interested in reading what you have to say in the comments section. I appreciate you seeing. Please click the like button if you thought the information was interesting and helpful. Bye and see you soon.